In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Mint Mobile promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Mint Mobile promo code. Right here, we'll have this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get the free shipping on my next order, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here, and this is my discount code. So on the checkout on my next order, if I'm going to use this promo code, I will get the free shipping. Also, going back to our main search on Google right here, if you scroll down, you see that there are also a lot of websites with promo codes that you can use. For example, this one, which is deals. And as you can see right here, we have other offers and deals that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one right here, all I have to do is select get offer, and I will be redirected to the website to activate the offer and make the purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.